Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook deer cube steak. We'll start by preparing the meat to ensure it's tender and flavorful. First, gently pound the cube steak to about 1/2 inch thickness. Then, season both sides generously with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. This initial preparation is crucial for a delicious outcome, setting the stage for a truly satisfying meal. Now, let's get ready to cook. Create a simple dredging station with 3 shallow dishes, one with all-purpose flour, one with 2 beaten eggs, and one with seasoned breadcrumbs. Dip each steak first in flour, then egg, and finally coat thoroughly in breadcrumbs. Heat about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. This ensures a perfect golden crust. After browning, the secret to incredibly tender deer cube steak is simmering. Once all steaks are beautifully browned, return them to the skillet. Pour in about 1 cup of beef broth or water, ensuring the liquid comes about halfway up the sides of the steaks. Reduce the heat to low, cover the skillet tightly, and let it simmer for 45 to 60 minutes. This slow cooking process makes the meat wonderfully tender. Your delicious deer cube steak is now ready to enjoy. This tender, flavorful dish pairs wonderfully with classic comfort foods. I recommend serving it alongside a generous portion of creamy mashed potatoes to soak up all the savory pan juices. A side of steamed green beans or buttered corn adds a fresh touch. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley for a beautiful finish. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.